Welcome to Sandling.
Now departing platform number 1 at Deal at Sandling will be your service to Ramsgate via Dover and Deal 375 917. Floyd's Pledge 375 917 375 927. And they're off to Ramsgate via Folkestone, Dover and Deal. Welcome to Sandling, where we're waiting for 56. I don't know what one of them is. But I know one. But we'll see what's due in a minute. Now departing is the 1618 South Eastern Service to London Charing Cross via Ashford, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks 375 616 and 708. Three 708 and 616 to London Charing Cross. Station Western Hangar's a lot better when you don't come at the beginning of January. Now approaching platform 2 at Sandling will be your 1639 Collas Rail service from Guide Bridge down sidings to Donners Moor sidings. Go on, we've got thank you, 56 302 to 73 110 and 77 908. And they're off to Donners Moor, and the Tampers are off to the continent for a refurb. The 1643 South Eastern Service 2 from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross 375827. Three 611. Three 611 and 827 to Charing Cross via Ashford. The train now passing platform 1 is off the St Pancras International. I'll just have to go and get a picture of the screen. Okay, we should have 395029 back. Now 529 to St Pancras International via Ashford.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1718 Service 2, London Charing Cross. This service is currently on time. Calling at Western Hangar, Assai, Pluckley, Headcorn, Staplehurst, Marden, Paddock Wood, Tonbridge, Sevenoaks, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross.
This is the 1780 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross via ASI. Well, the code on the system is ASI for Astrid International. I take it they've accidentally done that. Three 829. And that's off to London Charing Cross via Ashford and Tunbridge. Now approaching platform 1 is your 1722 O Zulu 58 Collis rail service from Donsmore sidings to Wembley. Should have this is the 56 returning. Okay. Fifty-six 302 back off to Wembley, and now approaching is your 1723 South Eastern High Speed service from St Pancras International to Dover. We've got 395028 Laura Trot. 395028 Laura Trot to Dover Priory, 5 Folkestones West and Centrals.